Fredericka. I'm an artist living and working in New York City and Seattle, Washington. Water has been my primary subject matter for about 20 years.
Hola, I'm Giana González, and I'm a Panamanian artist living in New York City. I work across multimedia and performance, and also using the subject of water in the context of personal identity.
WaterJourneys will use images and words to explore your individual narratives and experience.
And through this process, you will be able to map your relationship with water, but also seeing how it's part of a larger system.
This technique will allow us to use this with any learning situation so that students can flow into any topic. We hope you'll join us Friday at Faith Workshop, 4:45, WaterJourneys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.